Hello. Do you have a clutter vault? Yeah, that's the place where you store everything that you don't know what to do with, your clutter. Instead of making a decision to throw it away or to put it in a specific place or to give it away, you stash it away in your clutter vault. Your clutter vault could be under your bed, it could be in your master closet, it could be your whole bedroom, it could be a guest room, it can be the basement, the attic. You know where your clutter vault is. So if you've got a clutter vault, just know that it's full of delayed decisions, mostly to give away, I guarantee you. These are not things you're using. They're things you think you might need one day, which is a lie that we tell ourselves. So I want you to start thinking about, after the holidays, working on those clutter vaults. Now, if it's a little space, you can work it into your zone work. But if it's a big space, it'll be a project for the new year. Make it a great day.